When you find out the soundproof booth is actually just a glass box of betrayal. These are the best soundproof prank moments.
Soundproof, okay?
They're not soundproof.
The exact moment your soul leaves your body, because you realized the neighbors heard everything. Performing a private concert for an audience that definitely didn't buy tickets.
Are you really shouting?
When you're screaming at the top of your lungs, but the only thing silent is your dignity. That soundproof warranty is about as real as my gym motivation on a Monday.